I haven't even got time to set the date on this thing, but I mean, I just got this thing out of the box, and I just want to show you how cool this thing is. I mean, you've got the Google Play Store. I went ahead and downloaded the calendar app. And look how massive this thing is. Go stand beside of it, show them how big it is. She's 7. Like, this thing's huge. I mean, you've got all your different dates. You can look at the scheduled view, daytime view, weekly view, monthly view. And go back over here, go to home. Got a whiteboard. Go ahead, show them how to draw on it. Use your finger and just draw away. There you go, erasing it. I mean, comes with the mount to mount it on the wall. We're gonna do that soon. Comes with a remote, comes with a pencil, comes with a webcam.
I can change colors.
Yep, you can change the colors. All right, let me show them some other stuff. Got documents, screen share, browser. I mean, it literally has everything. It's really cool. So glad I got it.